But what is Asian fried chicken?
Thank you for asking. Asian fried chicken is chicken marinated for over 24 hours with ginger, garlic, white pepper, and Chinese sauce. Instead of coating with heavy flour, we use corn starch, tapioca starch to make it extra crispy but not greasy. And the best part, the sauces. We made all these sauce in-house with seasonings from different parts of Asia. Choose from our 5 signature flavors: General sauce, Szechuan mala, Kung Fu sauce, sweet sriracha, and honey garlic. Each fried chicken with unique Asian flavors made it crispy, juicy, and packed with personality. Visiting us at Kung Fu Chicken.